Hello everyone, welcome back to mathsmood. Really interesting algebra problem today. We will learn a lot of really good rules right here. We have square root of 2 to the x times root of 7 to the x equal to 196. What we're going to do in our case? Take a look. Right here we'll need a really good rule at first. So what rule? If we have square root of a times square root of b, it will be really good. Then we'll have our root right here. We will have a times b. So this is our first rule that we need right here, but this rule works only with multiplication. If we have, for example, square root of a plus square root of b, this not square root of a plus b. So remember this, that this not works in this way, only with multiplication. So let's use this rule, a equal to 2 to the x, b equal to 7 to the x. Let's use this rule. We will have one common square root sign, 2 to the x, and times 7 to the x equal to 196. So what we're going to do next? Let's learn the next rule right here. If we have some number a to the power x and we multiply by the number b but raised to the same power as right here to the power x, it will be equal to a times b to the power x. So we just multiply it by each other, so we will have a times b and all raised to the power x. Take a look right here, we have this situation, 2 and 7 we have, so we will have square root, we will have right here, and right here we use our rule. So 2 times 7 all raised to the power x equal to 196. So I hope you understand this step. We are going step by step, so I hope you will understand me. 2 times 7, 14, so we will have square root of 14 to the power x equal to 196. So what we're going to do to the next, we need to know a really good, not rule, but maybe property this is. We will have right here, for example, cubes root, for example, of a to the 5th power. So if we have this situation, or doesn't matter, we have this power and this power with this a, so we can either write it in the fraction way. So we can write it as a to the power 5 at first in our numerator and 3 in our denominator. This is the power of root. So this rule we can use right here. This is our 2, and of course we can easily write it as 14 to the power x over 2. We can easily write it as 14 to the power x over 2 equal to 196. But moreover, 196, this is 14 square. And right here, 14 to the power x over 2. So 14, right here square, right here x over 2. So one and only way this equation works is when the power will be the same. So x over 2 equal to 2. And from here cross multiplying x equal to 4. And this is our answer. I try to solve it slowly, I want you to learn this rule, learn this property. Maybe someone don't know this rule, and I will really interested to show with this rule. So, thank you so much for watching. If you still have any question, write a question in the comment. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.